for.
Good morning, everyone. It's now day 4 of Bali pala, and it's September 18. It's this girl's birthday na. So, time check is 10 o'clock a.m. 10 o'clock on the dot, and we're gonna head out. We're gonna go to, what's the name of the place? 32 degrees something to get breakfast, to catch breakfast. And after, it's just a 2-minute walk from our villa. After there, mag-grab na kami papunta ng The Edge. And so our color of the day is pink and yellow, pero may blue. Biglang nagkaroon ng blue or ng gray. So yes, kasi matchy si Kuya Ivan lang sa si Daddy. They're the real couple. Now look at this. Look at this two. That's a couple. They're pink and white. By Frank Ocean.
Palawan to eh.
Omsim!
Reclosed sa Palawan.
Reuse your
Hindi ko pa
dues.
ito napopost sa Palawan.
Na-post mo na yan, baliw.
Wala sa feed ko yan.
Ah, wala sa feed mo. Okay.
Uy, na-post mo na DP mo nga.
Omsim!
So, gas-gas na pala to.
O, tapos mukha tayo nasa Palawan. Second time, late post. Late post from Palawan. Oh, ikaw, ano naman?
Pero yung boss.
Wow!
Dahil boss siya kasi.
Lugi sa foreign exchange.
Grabe, millionaires ka na, ha? She's a
You want
millionaire.
25 million? I got you.
Kabaliw, 2.5 ka lang.
Let's go.
There, so we're gonna head out. We're gonna head out and we'll see you when we see you. Hey, where are you guys now?
We're here at the 32.
32 what? It's Hangul eh. Parang Hangul to.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna take order na lang. Take out. Paano yung sa tayo mag-eating ng Grab?
Oh, after
Ito pa yung tinipilahan yung tinatanong ko sa'yo.
after here, where?
Ayun nga.
After here, where?
After here, so we're just gonna take away some food. We're gonna eat it sa Grab, and then we're gonna go to the Edge. Swim, eat, and just, enjoy. And then after that, it's the birthday dinner.
Wow. The place is cool, actually. Mami, ako.
Ikaw sumumpa pa lang na isang coffee.
Ikaw. Okay, there's so many selections over there, and then there's drinks here. Hi, do you guys have non-coffee drinks?
Non-coffee drink, sure.
Yeah.
We have matcha latte,
Oh,
refreshment, and also other.
hi! There we go. Dad, bakit tinatalo mo na yung mga tour guide? Okay, we're rolling.
Pinaka-cancel ulit?
Dito, 32. 180.
Pinaka-cancel ulit?
Missing lang 400. 180 as in words Pekato. Yeah. Okay, so no Grab drivers are accepting us. Kasi ang fee sa Grab, 200. Pero nakasakay naman sina Mami. Kami.
Seater ba sa kanila?
Oo. 6-seater na din binok ko. 214. Tapos, sinisingil niya kami 400k cash. So, twice. Kasi daw super traffic and almost 2 hours drive daw. So, sabi ko that's super expensive and you cancel, sabi ko.
Yeah, kasi
This is our third
mag-cancel.
Grab driver.
Should I try? Tay, ang taas na ng rate ngayon.
Magkano?
76.
Okay lang.
Should I try 6-seater or 4?
Sige, form mo na. Ayun, so, grabe naman daw.
Mas may signal niyo okay?
Okay naman. Pero kay na Mami, wala namang problem. So, I don't know if we're just getting bad driver?
No,
Bad
our
driver?
number is just, lang talaga, coincidence.
Hindi na namin maano kasi the people here are either very kupal
Yeah.
or very bait.
Yeah. No in between.
No in between. Kasi, nung nag-dinner kami nung 17 ba tayo nag-dinner or 16? Sa Raihin. 16 na?
I think so.
Nung
Kagabi
16.
sa ano lang tayo.
Oh yeah. Nung 16 kasi nag-dinner kami sa Raihin, Bali. Parang it's a Japanese place. Tapos, yung accidentally, yung toothpick nila, may gumapang na cockroach palabas. So, syempre, inano namin. Dapat ihahayaan na lang namin kasi pinapatay namin kasi natatakot sila. Tapos nagulat yung mga waiters, ganon-ganon. So, ang nangyari, they opted to give us 20% discount.
Yeah, and free dessert.
Yeah, and free dessert. So, yung bill namin na dapat, magkano yung bill? 1.8 million.
No, yung bill namin na dapat 2.1
2.1
million. Naging 1.7
7 million. Tapos, meron pa kaming 4 na free desserts. Parang it's on the house daw. Na, tapos nung sinabi pa namin na 3 desserts lang, sabi na, only 3? Gumanon pa siya. Tapos, ayun, nagkaroon pa kami ng plus another free dessert kasi nag-birthday siya. Sinabi namin birthday niya. I mean, tama naman. And, ayun. Ayun.
So, may mababait naman talaga.
Yeah, may mga mababait.
Pero meron ka rin naman talagang mapagsamantala. Na-cancel talaga.
Try mo kay ate mo magpabook. Pwede ba yun? While
Hindi.
on.
Itong, 3.3. Pag kumarga,
So, we're still here at 32 Do Cafe because we can't go to the edge. Wala kaming mabook.
pag nag-usap siya na, ma'am, the traffic is,
Yeah.
I believe communication isn't about culture, you know.
Yeah. Sabi kasi dito,
Bakit kasi sige,
sabi nung ano namin, driver namin, si Kadek,
kahit na merong language barrier,
sabi niya
bakit
na people here, naniniwala raw sila sa 3 bagay. Connection to people, connection to nature, at yung isa, tapos yung isa, good karma. Good karma. And siguro may mga iba na hindi naniniwala sa good karma, kaya medyo kupal ang datingan. Pero ayun, nakaka-frustrate, my gosh.
One example is Gide.
Yes, Gidey, Kadek, and Rifan. And yung driver nyo ba na isa maano rin? Yung bago.
Sakto lang, hindi na namin nakausap kasi natulog na.
That attitude isn't based from culture.
Gidey, Kadek, Rifan. Oh, we miss you guys. Please come back. Yung driver namin na yun, galing sila sa agency ba? Yung agency good. They're good drivers.
No, not all. Kasi nga yung
All, yeah. Not all pala. Kasi nung sa Pinida kami, may mga Kupa Lords din eh. So, yeah. Sina mami na una na nga doon. And, ayun. Buti,
Una na sila tita para dumakulang na sila.
buti medyo maaga kaming pumunta. Kasi, kanina there was no line.
sorry.
Ha, it's okay. Kanina there was no line. Pero ngayon, grabe na yung pila, guys. So, it's a good thing lang din. Nauna na kami. Plano namin, di ba, mabilis lang kami dito. Take out lang. Then we'll move to the edge na. Kaso wala. Siyempre na.
The picture takes takes a lot of time.
Yeah. But,
12 na. Ang supposed plan was 12 andun na sa edge. So, kung makakarating doon na 1, bilang ng 4 hours, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, hindi na. 4 dapat ano na.
maalis na tayo.
Yes. Nagre-ready na, maalis na. Mga traffic din. Because we have to be at the sunset dinner by 5.
Ito mabait. Sabi ko, take your brother, we are waiting for you. My pleasure.
My pleasure.
Eto hindi niya kina-cancel. Pero
3 minutes.
sabi dito, if you're not pick up by 12:16, you get a 10,000 voucher. Kano yun? 40 pesos.
Oh, at least.
Alam mo, tuwa-tuwa pa ako kahapon. May nakupit ako kay mami. 5,000 rupya. Kinonvert ko putik, 20 pesos lang. Oh my gosh. Dito, milyonaryo ka na agad. You'll be an instant millionaire. So, ayun, that's our update. We'll see you when we go to the edge na. Kasi this is so frustrating. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, Jibel. We're riding to where we're going now?
At the edge,
At the edge.
we are
Here the two at the back. We're riding a golf cart.
Oh, this is... Oh, here. Okay.
We're here now. We're here now, so we're just gonna go now. Thank you.
No, you're
Yeah.
she will lead us.
So we're gonna go. We have someone leading us. Now we gotta go. The view is very nice, very fancy. Hi. So I'm gonna journalize on a piece of paper because I can't bring my notebook.
Just inform you first, the toilet for women, there is two over there, one changing room for everyone.
Okay.
And then for men's toilet, behind a water fountain after the bridge. This is our public pool, including the lagoon. The other pool and bar on the other side, our private area only for our villa guests. But you still have all access walk around until the grass area. Okay. Yes.
We gotta order. We're gonna explore. So first, here we have the place. I don't know what it is. The place near the swimming pool. Here's the swimming pool. Then there's another pool right there, and then more beds, I think. Okay, so this is where we're gonna eat right now. Here. I'm gonna order. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'm lazy. So, what are you start at the cheeseburger side?
Oh, 35.
Patataco, budget taco, oh, mozzarella sticks! Oh my god! I already found something I like. This good.
Yes, please.
Bye. I'll see you when I get my order or maybe when the others are here.
There.
Hi everyone, it's me taking over the vlog, and we are here at... Are you laughing at me? Nagpipicture yung family, Solis fam. So the Solis fam is taking a photo. Hi guys! Vlog takeover. Ang gaganda at ang gagwapo. Okay, syempre itong pinaka Ready?
1, 2, and 3. So, 1, 2.
Ay, ang ganda. Look at their photo, guys. They're so nice. And over here, Jillian is trying to take aesthetic food. Wow, look at our food. So this is like beef bulgogi. What's this? Is it buffalo wings?
Yeah, Korean fried
And this
chicken.
is nasi goreng, of course, Indonesia's finest rice. Yeah, sure. And my drink is strawberry lychee. This is so good, guys.
Here, beside the watermelon.
Okay. Ang ganda niyan. So, while they're taking photos, makiki-photo din tayo.
Yung cellphone ko. Eto, nasa akin.
Makiki-photo din tayo sa kanila. What are you having, Ivan?
Spicy chicken burger and beef.
And beef bulgogi. Grabe, hindi siya gutom. Meron pa yung chocolate cake. Nakita ko yung order niya. Mine is salmon pokeball. Hi, birthday girl. How was your day?
So far, so good, but so hungry right now.
Wow, you're so pretty.
I know.
Ano naman dyan? Isang beauty pose. Beauty pose. Oh, another side. Ganda.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligaya.
Yang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Yay!
chocolate.
Yay!
Okay na, busog na ako.
Picture tayo ka.
Kaya inuubos ko lang talaga eh.
Hi! So we're here at Bali. Say hi, parents. Hi, Jiwen! Say hi! So, we're having dinner. Sunset dinner. Medyo gabi na kasi we took photos first. Tinginan ng tinginan yung mga tao, nakakahiya. Kasi nga, picture kami ng picture, nakakahiya. Hey girl!
Hi! The pianist is so good.
Oh, yan.
He's so great.
Hindi ko alam paano siya ipapakita, girl. Like, paano
Lapit ka, and then si Kuya.
So, here's Maven taking some more pictures.
Courtesy of my film sister.
Thank you so much for making me pretty.
Sure. Happy birthday. So the photos are courtesy of Jillian. So make sure to follow her on what's that? Jill Films.
Jill and Phil.
Jill and Films. Sorry.
And then, ayan yung sunset, bumaba na siya. And then, here's my love. Hi, my love.
What's up? Big girl, happy birthday.
Thank you for all your efforts.
Yeah.
My love.
Of course. Anything for you.
And here's Boss Mouse. Are you Kota for the pictures?
Yes.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng
liwanag
view.
pa din, oh.
Oo, sobrang ganda ng view.
Oo,
Perfect.
pero hindi ko alam paano siya ibabaliktad. So, titingin ako sa view. Ayun. Hi, Abby.
Tagalog na naman.
Abby, look. Hi, Mom. Sobrang ganda ng view. Hey, girls. How's your girl dinner?
Not yet.
Our girl dinner is our face.
Our girl dinner is taking pictures. Ayan. Photo-photo pa. Ang ganda ng cliff. Ang ganda ng sunset. And everything. And then, ayan sila. See? We were really trying to picture that. More pictures. Hindi pa solve. So, ayan. Then, I'm gonna take a look around the team. See, so nice. This is so nice. So, the staff are so friendly. More pictures. And then there's the pianist who is really nice. So there. There's oh, he knows the Tagalog song. Say hi. Oh, that's so nice. Ah, thank you.
Ikaw lang. Sa'yo, Kitty.
Very good.
Hindi na balik magkanta nga sa kakahasa na magbabalik ba?
It's so good.
Dahil panghabang buhay ang hatol sa tulad ko. Ani sa'yo.
Thank you.
Wait.
Oh.
You're the center in the way you look at me. Never know what you see. You're the something in the way you look at me.
So good. Oh, akin ka na lang. Kaya halika na.
Sinusundo kita.
Ah, okay, good.
Oh.
Pick a song?
Ikaw lang, bukas na lang. Inuman tayo.
Ayun na. No, we're good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're so good.
We can write here. From JR, Angeline Cuento.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Daryl O, Michael Pangilinan, Bugay Drilo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Filipino. I love Filipino. Ayos lang.
What song by you?
Oh, no.
From
Can I
Saudi.
request for
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I see the light.
Thank you.
So good. He's great.
Hi, Mom. How's your food?
There's some mixed seafoods.
Hmm?
Mixed seafoods, shrimp, blue marlin with side dish of mashed potato, mushroom and potato. We have squid also.
Hi, Maven.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Wait lang,
Aesthetic lang.
Ready one.
Salt for lemon.
Sa pangganda nila. Sige.
Yeah. Jillian, seems like your angle is the other side.
Yeah, it is.
Pag ganun.
Hi.
Hi.
Sakto na ako nag-cheers.
Wala kaming ka-table eh.
Pakita mo yung what's your dinner? Oh, naiba
Dinner?
pala yun.
Creamy mushroom.
Hmm?
And hot chocolate.
Rare.
Perfect match.
Perfect match. Yan mo rin is burrata tatas. What?
Burrata cheese. And
What?
raspberry smoothie. Perfect match.
Perfect match eh.
Purple and green.
Burrata cheese daw.
Hindi na yung burrata tat na yan.
Burrata cheese.
Spot sa labas.
Hey! Hi!
Dan, may nakikita ba yung vlog niya?
Mas nakikita ko siya.
Hi! Guys, we're gonna eat our dinner now. Oh, umiikot-ikot mo yan. We're now gonna eat our dinner after 30 to 45 minutes of picture taking. So, marami pa yung picture taking namin get sa dinner. So, yeah, siguro we're gonna enjoy. Gonna enjoy first. Pero maganda din kasi. See you when we see you.
Guys, so last dinner natin to, diba?
Last dinner na namin dito sa Indonesia. So, totally nakaka-bitin.
Yes,
Sobrang bitin niya. Kasi, travel time pa lang sa isang spot, tumatagal na ng like
1 hour to 1 to 2.
1 and a half. So, depende sa traffic as in.
Yes, traffic sa Indonesia.
So, para sinisiksik lang namin siya, habol, mabilis, ganun. So far naman, it's a good experience pa rin naman siya. The
Yes.
food, the place.
Food?
Mie goreng.
Dito masarap yung food, but sa iba. Masarap yung raspberry juice.
Masarap dito yung traditional nila na nasi goreng, mie goreng. Pero pagdating sa ibang food, siguro so-so, pwede na rin. Goods na rin siya. So ngayon nandito kami sa, ano pa ito?
MU?
MU.
Bungalow?
MU parang bungalow something.
MU or Mu?
Ano siya, parang viewpoint.
Bakit sumubo?
Viewpoint ng sunset. Parang ganun. So last dinner namin dito. Then after this one, until 7:30 lang kami. So we're not sure after this one kung anong pinaka-plano namin.
Ang dami nilang serving. Then,
No.
wala phone mo. Thank you. Uy, may water tayo.
Then, so, depende kung susulitin namin the night is after this one. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung pinaka-final plan, but we need to pack everything kasi by tomorrow,
Early yung flight.
early yung flight namin by 8 a.m. So, we need at the airport by 4, something like that. So, yun. Then,
Yan natin tip. Binigyan mo ng tip yung ano.
Hey guys! Ito ang trip namin ngayon! It's our last day! I mean last night. Ganun na lang. This is our last night. 12. Oh yeah, last day na pala. 12 midnight. It's September 19. And ang flight namin ay 8 o'clock ng umaga. At kailangan 4 a.m. Nasa airport na kami. But yet, andito pa rin kami. We're at the swimming pool. This is kakaibang trip. Ate Maven, Ate Nevam. Nevam? Nevam.
Nevam
Yes.
Akisha.
Nevam Akisha. And there's...
Spice susu.
Masarap ba yung susu?
Delicacy from Indonesia.
Yes, yes. Taste
And it's a
this.
bit sweet.
Sweeter than
Gula.
the green.
Sugar in Indonesia is gula.
Wow. Ay, no yan. Sayang
Muntik
naman,
tumalon.
oh. Hindi na eh. Eto na pala si Barbie at Ken. Barbie Land. Ayan. Magsiswimming kami. Ew. We're gonna swim. Ay, wala to. Nag-work.
10 minutes, kailangan ko magbawi ng pambayad mo.
Si Barbie ay This is Barbie Land.
I'm working Barbie.
Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie.
Okay na, nakapagtampisaw na ako.
Ito ngayon si Ate Mau. Ang totoo kasi niyan, matutulog na kasi talaga si Ate Mau.
Nakapantulog na.
Hey! Hey, that's not nice.
Parang damay-damay na
Oh,
to.
show us our food. Buratatatat.
Kadiri. Hindi kayo naisip kaya yun.
Baratakis talaga yan.
Bratatat. Ayan. What is this? Hey, give me a tour. Ay, ito yung pagkain ni na Mami. Red rice with potatoes and tuna. This is my beef.
We're eating
Choose your fighter.
Yes, yes, yes.
Choose your fighters.
Si Mama natutulala na. Tignan kayo puno eh.
Ay. Totoo yun? So, paniki nga yung umanaki na Ate Andeng kagabi?
Oo nga, may paniki dyan. Nakatingin kaming ganun kaming tatlo.
Oo.
Tapos sinantay namin gumalaw. Lumipad.
Ay! Oo nga, nagsigawan kayo.
Buratatatat.
We have spicy chicken burger, beef mushroom gnocchi, and then pesto pasta. With putik, may chips pa to.
Oh,
Ayos ah! Anong trip to, guys? Anong trip?
Buratatatat.
Look at this, Barbie.
Oh, ano?
Oh, ano?
Oh.
Okay.
mga kumare.
Oh, ayan ah, filming yan ah. Makikita yung mga magdaraya.
Paano? Sisubuan. Kasi naniniksik eh. Andyan na yung pwesto ko eh. Ito na yan.
'Okay guys, eto na kami. Touchdown, PH, and this is our aftermath. Ayan. So, sinong una natin interviewin?
Birthday girl.
Oo. Baby, what's your favorite part? On this Bali, Indonesia.
The ATV,
Mm-hmm.
the edge,
Mm-hmm.
and ano ba? I can't remember what was the other one.
That's your...
Swimming at the villa. Diba? You do swimming at the villa? Nag-isa?
It's not fun that way.
Oh, how about the worst one?
The worst? Diamond Beach.
It's so hot.
Okay, okay.
Hindi rin bumaba si Nanting doon, no?
Hindi din daw.
Kasi ang taas eh.
Hindi, ang taas 25
Okay, okay.
Tao, ganit lang gam.
Next
gaganon
interviewee.
lang gam. Hindi nga
Mommy,
makita sa
what
camera
is
eh.
your what is your worst experience in this in this trip?
Wala naman really worse. Wala naman really worse. Least favorite. The least favorite kasi yung sobrang init ng Diamond, yung pagpunta ng Diamonds and puro biyahe. Biyahe ng biyahe. And traffic. Saka traffic.
Oh, yeah.
Kala ko wala na ako sa Pilipinas na traffic wala.
How about your most favorite?
The most favorite, siyempre. Ole.
Chris,
Bali, duty free.
Ole and duty free and
Sabi yung ole-ole na yun.
yung bigyan ng pasalubong yung unang-una, yung parang donkey din sa ano.
Dala-dalawa eh. Oh, yeah. Mayaya mo.
This favorite na talaga ni Tita yung Diamond.
Nawala yung isang hikaw ko. Kakabit-bit ng shopping bag ko sa ole-ole. Pagdating ko sa bahay, wala na yung isang hikaw ko.
Oh, no.
Ate, also I like, what was that, 32 though?
Oh, yeah. 32 $.
32 balls.
How about you, sir? Brother.
Oh, yeah.
What is your least favorite?
Least favorite?
Yeah. Part of this trip.
Maganda naman eh. Yung ATV maganda, pinakamaganda, sarap ATV.
Yeah. So, wala kang least.
Mainit.
And the heat.
Yeah.
The walking trip.
That's all? That's all?
And yung walking in.
Hindi naman tayo naglakad ah. Gaano? Wala yun. Naglakad namin ito.
Matching couple shirt pa sila. Okay. Thank you, brother. Soksama, brother. Soksama. Mawali. Ay! Putik si Bella at Padilla.
Naka-sage pa.
Si Bella at saka si Josh. Josh pa. Oh, ayun na po. Your least favorite. Dalawa na kayo dito. Least favorite.
Coffee. No. Travel time.
Yeah.
Sino ang kumakain sa oras?
Mababang 1 oras ang kalahati.
Pero so far goods naman sana. Pero kung di lang matagal yung biyahe.
Travel.
Sulit.
Yun yung least favorite.
Best favorite mo. Best mo.
ATV. Tsaka dahil.
Ako, 32 degree yung coffee. And
Ano pala yung huli natin yung pinuntahan, yung birthday ni James? Yun, maganda
Buwan.
din.
Blue Valley.
Mobile. So romantic.
Yes. And the sunset.
That's it. Good. Culture. Yung mga... Sayang lang talaga yung sa ano, yung sa... Nusa. Pero so far, good experience pa rin for first time. So, hindi naman mawawala. Yeah.
Magdadagdag daw siya ng word, yung Perry. Sa Asimaw.
Verse pala yung
Parang nag-aalaga ng bata.
Sana pala
sa ferry.
Parang hihimatay. Hindi naman naitapon sa amoy.
Paano kasi? Diba?
Palibutan kami.
Diba kasi, diba? Taas na ng alon. Diba? Harap likod namin. Nanapak na daw sa inyong.
Oh my God.
Labas na kayo. Nalilibutan na namin kayo.
Oh my God.
Sabi niya, libat tayo.
Ilang beses ko sinabi sa kanya, lipat na tayo, hindi ko na kaya.
Sumuko eh. Tapos pagkatabi niya, ganun pa din eh.
Ako nga,
Oh my gosh.
pagbuko ko pa lang ng papunta, umalis na ako eh. Naano ko na kagad eh.
Akala ko po kaya ko eh.
I thought wrong. Okay, how about this girl? Hey girl!
My favorite part, and least favorite, the ATV when I'm alone.
Ang galing yun, no? Yung sa atin yun ang best.
My least favorite is when someone pick my back.
I can't. I realized I'm just a passenger. So hard.
Then next time daw sa biyahe meron ka na raw driver.
Good thing, brother offered, you want me to ride with you? And no second thoughts. Okay, you ride.
Please.
Please. Okay, my most favorite. Nasabi niyo na lahat eh. Pero other entry is getting to know Biday.
Oh,
So
yeah.
sweet. The Indonesian guy.
Kung hindi sabihin ko na lahat tayo nag-enjoy except for Megan that time, that moment.
Oo, dito. Nung mag-isa ako, di ko na
Traveling
kaya.
pala siya noon. Kaya tayo.
Mamamatay na lang ako doon kasi pag ganyan, quit ako yung bangin. Ay, no na lang. 2A for this, bye.
How about you, girl?
My least favorite is
Vlogging.
the vlogging, the picturing, and the editing. What else? My least favorite is the Nusa Penida travel.
Day tour.
Yeah, day tour. It's super... Ano yung ano?
Road?
English ka ba?
Yung
ano
road?
Yung kapos. Ayun,
Biten.
kapos sa oras. Biten sa oras.
And beats.
And
Yao bit, standard.
super
Okay lang.
init. And super
Bagay mo sa
coops. Ano ba naman ito naging? Ito yung itsura ko. Ito yung camera.
Hindi bagay sa
Super coops ng aming driver. Coops X-Max ang mga nag-tour guide sa amin. Bakit naman kayo nag-uwi ng bubuyog dito naman? Sabi ko sa inyo. But look at Tita Lolit first.
Stabilo.
Okay. But my most favorite is the G7X. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And follow Jill and Phil. Jill and Phil. And then the ATV. And the games last night. Because of Kuya Ivan cheating.
Cheater.
Sa-game lang.
Insert video. You will see in the vlog. Okay, next. Against Jan. Ay, Kuya, ikaw mag-beat.
Ayun sa'yo, Marie.
Okay. Nakapulot na. Ayan, ito ako. Alam ko na yung kasagot. Ay, ba?
Worst.
Okay, boss. What is your least favorite?
Sino mo na?
The
Go na ka-shades!
on the way, the Tigdasi. I had Tigdas.
Where na? Where? No more.
Kasi may calming
of the cream.
lotion. Because of the mamahalin cake. That. So, pumangit ako ng super. Sa day one. That's that's the least favorite. Okay, ikaw na.
Least favorite.
List muna.
Excited na siya sumagot,
Least
Liz.
favorite was the waiting time for the surprise. Kasi alam niya na eh. Tinagalan pa?
No.
Boss!
No, di ko alam.
Hindi, joke lang. The least favorite part was yung biyahe sa, paano na?
No, sa Penida.
Oo, sa Penida. It's like ATV, pero nasa sasakyan ka. Tapos buong araw kang nasa ATV
Iniikot
yung oo.
Yeah.
Yung puro kaldag, di ba?
Panikal daw.
Nag-drive yung driver.
Kami, magaling. Pero ako nakabili ko.
Ay, smoke na po siya.
Kasi siya daw, tugturo pa rin siya.
Kasama namin si Noah.
Hindi tayo ano sa Penida. Hindi mo talaga gano'n.
Hindi nagigising.
Sleep is life eh.
Favorite.
Most
Most.
favorite.
Sila.
Ikaw muna.
most favorite part was my daying.
Updated
My most favorite part was ATV. Not ATV. Yeah. Yun nga eh.
Lahat sinabi ATV, siya lang hindi.
ATV, that's the first part. Just isa lang ko. Oh my gosh. But all the rest, I enjoyed.
Nung naging sweet na sila ni Kuya, sabi sa kanya, oh, ikaw si Maven.
Kasi mamatay ako dun.
Most favorite, also the ATV. The noise. Most favorite, also taking picture. Aurahan sa? Aurahan in everything, in everywhere.
Surprise, di mo favorite?
And, di pa kasi tapos. Hindi talaga siya nakagit. Siyempre, the all-effort surprise. And I like the edge. Yes. So good. Kasi yun na doon luxurious.
The falls din pala maganda yung pangalan.
Oo, hindi natin nasabi yung calls.
Kanto lang po.
Turn down for what?
Panoorin yung turn down.
Lagay mo sa vlog.
Turn down for what?
Tsaka, kahit
Ulitin natin ito.
Take two.
Ikaw pa rin ang ipiling.
I've never felt so high without so much adrenaline.
It's so
Golden as I open my way too bright for me. I'm hopeless.
Napasok na yung gum ko!
Happy birthday to you.
Bakit tinatalo mo na yung mga tour guide? There we go.
Guys, vlog takeover. Ang gaganda at gagwapo. Live, Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yay!
Hi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Guys, ito ang trip namin ngayon! Hey guys!
Ayun na, video.
One, two. Day two.
Bali 2024 Bali trip!
Sweet words eh.
Babalik tayo!
Nga pala, see you in